sort of analysing data for our assignment that we have due in a couple of weeks. And like hustle culture.
You are a function of this total galaxy. The real deep down you is the whole universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the university series. Today I'm going to be bringing you along for a study with me day in the life, because I have a lot of studying to do today and university work in general, so hopefully that'll be interesting. I really hope you enjoy the video. Comment down below, let me know how your day is going, and yeah, hope you're doing good.
Confidence values and the upper and lower values of those confidence values. So first of all, I'm just going to show you.
I can't decide between green tea or vanilla chai tea. Vanilla chai tea definitely going to taste better. It literally tastes like Christmas in a cup. But green tea, healthier. I'm going to go with green tea. But I'm going to have one of these later. Okay, for breakfast I'm going to have salt and vinegar rice cakes with avocados and scrambled eggs.
I can't manage to stay for another moment.
Good morning, hello. No? Okay, he's just chilling.
Knew what to say. I was really afraid.
I've got my beautiful looking breakfast. I'm very excited. And my green tea. And my candle. And my cat.
I was really afraid to even talk about it. Guess I'm taking the blame.
Okay, so I'm just about to do a 2-hour lab workshop for the experimental methods and statistics module, which is sort of analysing data for our assignment that we have due in a couple of weeks. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Lately I've been thinking, what if I don't feel guilty? You know what you said and it's bad. Broke my heart in pieces, tried to make me believe in everything you said and demand. And I won't go, even if you pick me up in a new Ferrari. I don't know what I wanna hear from you when you try to call me. I'm so cold, everything you said I know you don't feel sorry. Yeah, you heard what I said, but you don't care about it.
I now have a developmental and clinical psychology lecture on effects of play on child development. You probably just saw as me doing all the background reading for that, and it was actually really interesting. I found it really interesting that in the past sort of decade, playtime in young children has significantly decreased, and there's a big correlation between that and increasing levels of depression and anxiety. And it's because we live in this sort of like busier, it's kind of because we live in this busier contemporary lifestyle and like hustle culture. Young children are so encouraged to be more academic. Another big factor was that children aren't really learning the imaginative play like they used to, I guess, because they're sort of fed a lot of information by the media and laptops and technology and tablets and phones, and like they're bombarded with all this information that it kind of can have an impact on their cognitive development, I guess. And I found that really interesting, so I kind of want to look into that a little bit further. I'm gonna try and do a little bit more research on that later, but now I have to go and do my live Q&A lecture.
I don't know, it's just something that I sort of started thinking about. What's the role of technology in this process and how can we mitigate it?
I can't change how it was, and I'm really sorry you never learned how to trust, no. But something stuck in reverse and everything got blurry.
A YouTube video that I really want to watch just came out, but I need to do this test. So I'm gonna do this test first, and then I'm gonna watch that YouTube video. Does anyone else, like, when they have YouTube videos that they want to watch, keep it on like a playlist of things they want to watch, and then they go through and watch like all the things that they've been waiting to watch together? Or do you just go on YouTube and pick a video to watch? Because I always have like a to watch playlist. I don't know, maybe just me, let me know.
Lately I've been thinking who I'm supposed to be with, something that I've tried to ignore. And I've been thinking about you lately, how I'm supposed to say this. I realized I've never been sure.
Purely on the language aspect. Hopefully you'll hear in the lectures, which is critical period for language.
At the moment we're doing 3 separate modules, and the forensic investigation module is like pretty much like a primarily self-taught module, so I have to do all the work for this week for that. This is definitely my favourite of the modules that we're doing. It's really interesting, so I need to do all the work for this week on that, which is all like pre-recorded and like PowerPoints and things like that. It's not, there's no like live sessions. Have to work on my assignment for another module that I have. Also, right, how cute is this? Every time I go to study, my cat comes and like sits next to me on the bed.
have your cuticle on the outside, your cortex, next layer down, which is where the pigmentation is found. You have a fragmentary medulla or a trace medulla.
As always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos if you want to. This video is part of a playlist called the University series, which is basically me documenting a whole bunch of stuff about my university experience. So if you're interested in that, definitely go check that out. Hope you're having a good day, hope you're having a good week. Thanks for watching. Bye.